Do you know who Titian was? Titian is an artist of international recognition whose works belong to the most precious treasures of the world's art heritage. And you know of Prague, don't you? Prague is widely regarded as one of the most beautiful cities in the world, which lies in the heart of Europe. So we thought, why not to bring Titian and Prague together? This will be the first Titian's exhibition since the reign of Rudolf II in the 16th century. We want to collect his artwork from all over the world. We were working hard throughout the year to prepare an exhibition in his honor, but now we need your help. Our goal of $40,000 will be used for lending the artwork, and in return for partnering with us, you will receive this wonderful reward. Here you can see how much effort is behind it. This is our team.
Hi, I'm Lenka.
Hi, I'm Camila.
We are the power of this exhibition.
We do impossible to make it happen.
Sleepless night, early mornings, no problem for us.
Join us.
It's worth it.
Hi, I'm Monica, the head of the exhibition. Tiziano after 400 years in Prague Castle, an unforgettable moment. We want the maximum, but we need your support and your help. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Elena and I'm in charge of the loans. I'm Italian as Tiziano was. Why to see the Titian exhibition? It's simple. Come to Prague and you will see for the first time some of his artworks never shown before. So, what are you waiting for? Come and support us.
So, hi guys, I'm Ornella, and it would be great if you can support us to connect different cultures and generations in our small country.
So I want to transmit the passion and the joy and the enthusiasm for this project. That will be the first exhibition of Tiziano in Prague. Tiziano, the favorite painter of Rudolf II, in a fantastic location with the best possibility we have now of curator. The curator is an incredible scholar of Italian Renaissance, and the beauty, all the beauty that we will take in Prague. So I think that this exhibition is completely different from the others. It's a unique experience and a unique viewing of beauty. So I hope really that will be for all of us a strong sensation that we will never forget. Thank you.
Thank you for supporting us.